You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for a sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.
I don't have a dress code already. Backpack one way, but I don't dress one way. As soon as I touch on the airport, passport stamp, cross customs, straight off the jumbo jet. Hey, straight off the jumbo jet. Hey, straight off the jumbo jet. Hey, straight off the jumbo jet. Off the jumbo jet.
Yeah, all right.
All right?
No, you're good.
All right?
Yeah, we're good.
I think we have the right conversation for him right now.
Him thank you.
All right, guys, welcome back to the show. June is Men's Mental Health Month.
And what a way to start.
Rich Rock, June is Men's Mental Health Month, right? And many
Men's Health Month.
Health Month.
That's
Men's
mental.
Health
That's-
Month.
that's
Just
health.
the whole
Overall,
health. Okay,
yeah.
the overall health. That's true. While many men pride themselves on being tough and resilient and able to walk it off, roll up them stress, when it comes to their health, that mindset can sometimes do more harm than good. So with us today, we're talking to consultant urologist, Dr. Lorian Voss, to discuss the barriers preventing men from taking charge of their health. Hi, Doc. How are you? Welcome to the show.
I'm fine, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Man, Doc look for me like she said,
No, he's about to get some trouble.
but what is this thought process, this feeling in your area of expertise, your years, where men, it's almost like we treat going to the doctor like it's punishment, like it's something that you're afraid to do, and it takes away from or dare to say
Manhood.
Manliness.
Yes. Yeah, but that's exactly it. I think a lot of men from very young, they're taught to be tough, don't cry, men don't complain, be a man, hold up your stress, right? And if you complain or, go to the doctor, it may seem like you're not so masculine, you're a bit vulnerable. A lot of men don't like to feel that way. They want to feel big and strong, So because of that, they delay coming to see their doctor, their general practitioner, or their urologist until it's way too late, until they're in a crisis and them can't go no more. Them can't go no more, something happen, them can't pee or whatever the problem is, and they must go to the hospital. That's when we tend to see them.
And that's a big thing too, especially when it comes to that part of their health, dealing with, urology or their sexual health, especially having to probably do a colonoscopy or getting your cancer screening done. They're like, the process may be a little bit too invasive on man.
Right.
So, not time.
Yeah, if something is wrong with you, that means you're not doing something.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, and rather
or
than
you're weak, or, Yeah, but I think there tends to be a stigma sometimes with seeing the urologist with your sexual issues or your urinary issues. And then there's a stigma around the examination that is performed. So we often do a digital rectal examination as a part of our screening for prostate cancer. And a lot of men do not like the idea of this. It can come off a bit invasive, but it is still integral as a part of our screening of prostate cancer to detect these conditions so that we can actually treat them.
There's no way around. There's no way around it.
Around is the only way in it.
The only way in it is, there's no way around it. The only way around it is in it.
It's in it. I wasn't through it, but in it.
In it.
It's still an important tool in our armamentarium when investigating these patients.
And of course, it's always better to catch things early,
right,
than when it's too late.
Right.
And that means that you need to do your checkups ever so often. Right. What's the timeline do you suggest that men do their checkups if they don't have a pre-existing condition and they have to check in at a certain time?
Right.
But someone who, deems themselves healthy, have no issues, how often should they do a checkup?
Right. So, so importantly, I must say, even if you feel healthy, it doesn't mean that there isn't something that needs to be treated or there may be an underlying condition that needs to be investigated. A lot of these conditions do not show any symptoms at all in the early stages. That's very important to know.
Can I add to that? I want you to continue. But sometimes something isn't wrong, but something can be better.
Right.
That's all.
Right. And the sooner you come to the doctor, the sooner we can intervene and the better your outcome would be rather than waiting for too late. So I would say for a regular checkup, kind of like how you service your car, you don't wait until it goes bad. You check in at set times. I would say about once a year. You at least have your blood pressure taken, check your blood glucose, your cholesterol levels and executive profile. Of course, including the prostate-specific antigen, PSA, which is what we use to screen for prostate cancer, at least once a year.
But is there a specific age you need to hit as a man to especially do like your prostate exam? Because back in the day, you say, when you reach maybe like a 40, 45, then, that's when people may develop certain illnesses, but we're seeing that happening earlier now. Right.
So in terms of the general age, I would advise the current recommendation is 40 years old. That is when you should start having your PSA done, at least annually. That can be tailored to your risk factors. So if you have a family history of prostate cancer, a father or brother, that is something you definitely need to start at 40. Right. The sooner the better. Prevention is cure. Right. And other illnesses, before even speaking about colon cancer, which is the second most common cancer, prostate cancer is actually the leading cause of cancer in men, and it is the leading cause of mortality. Right? So that's very important to get that checked. And another cancer that's quite common, second most common, is the colon cancer, and they should start that screening at about 45 years of age.
If there's a myth that right now you have this opportunity, everyone is watching, and you want to put it to rest in terms of men's health, one myth that men believe that is perpetrated in general space, just give me one that you would want to put to rest right now.
A common myth is that if me feel all right, me all right. Nothing to do me. You get what I'm saying? So a lot of these men say, but doc, what do you mean I need to check my prostate? I feel fine. I pass urine okay. I don't see any blood in my urine. I feel okay. I'm healthy. I'm working. I don't need to get no checks done. That's absolutely incorrect, right? A lot of these conditions, they do not have any symptoms at all in the early stage, and that is exactly when we would want to get these men to seek treatment and cure.
If there so happen to be symptoms though, what are they supposed to pay attention to? Even if it is embarrassing, because some persons won't even admit to a particular kind of symptoms. So what are they to pay attention to if there are symptoms?
Okay, so there can be urinary symptoms. So difficulty urinating, the urine takes a long time to start. The stream is very weak. Sometimes there's
can't write the name on the wall again.
Right, you can't pee over a wall anymore.
Right, your toe, you're right.
Right, and if there's blood in the urine, if you're losing weight and you're not trying to lose weight, it's just falling off, you're losing your appetite, those are some warning signs.
Some of them will say stress.
Stress.
True.
Whereas when Dorothy just decides to shake, she's
erectile dysfunction, right? Erectile dysfunction. And erectile dysfunction is actually a symptom of other serious conditions. You may be at risk of a heart attack. It may indicate some low issues with the hormone levels in the blood, and so on. So you need to see your doctor.
We have to wrap up like really quickly.
Yeah.
But give me 3 habits that men can start this week, health habits that will contribute to better health. That's 3. Quickly.
3? Okay, I think simple. Try to walk at least 30 minutes or about 3 to 5 times per week. If you smoke, I would cut out all smoking.
So walk 30 minutes 3 to 5 times per week.
Yes.
Smoking, no.
Smoking, no.
No smoking.
Right, and at least schedule that checkup that has been way overdue.
Boy, just show it that one.
I have to schedule.
I like it.
I have to put that one in.
Thank you. Interesting.
Go to your checkup.
Urologist Dr. Lorian Vaz. Of course, thank you so much for coming in and speaking with us. Now we have much more to come right after this break. DJ Rick Rock is playing something, listening to something. We're going to listen to that now while we take a quick one. Rich Rock, what we're playing over there?
Peace of mind. That's just what I see.
You see that dirt-like trail along the kitchen wall? Come, look at this mold. And the bathroom wall is sweating.
But didn't we just have pest control here last month? Drilling the whole house?
That's surface work. Call Carry Pest for a sonar check now. The L5000 acoustic detection system pinpoints hidden leaks behind walls and under floors. Non-invasive. No more drilling guesswork. Call Carry Pest at 876-592-3988. That's 876-592-3988. Carry Pest Limited. Protecting what matters.